Hi, I'm Travis Thien, co-founder of Soul Soils. Do you have plants that struggle even with the right care regimen? It's not uncommon when given the same amount of water, food, and sunlight, one plant may just do worse than another. And the odds are, that problem's actually inside your pot. When you water an indoor plant potted in traditional potting mixes, the mix fully saturates, and it just takes too long to dry out and let that plant breathe. This stresses the plant out and makes it hard for the roots to take in the oxygen they need. And without oxygen in the system, this anaerobic environment can easily lead to issues like root rot or other soil-borne diseases. And a wet, muddy, peaty potting mix is also, unfortunately, ideal for pests like fungus gnats to thrive. Your best bet is to use a higher quality potting mix, like we've got at Soul Soils. Our mixes are developed specifically for less than ideal conditions, like your kitchen or your living room. We make what we call performance mixes, which are fast-draining mediums made up of a healthy amount of chunky and gritty materials like leca, pumice, coconut husks. They're more forgiving of common plant care mistakes like overwatering. Honestly, at the end of the day, you're going to either find yourself regularly replacing your plants or simply upgrading what they're growing in. Now, if you're ready to join us in this revolution and switch to a better mix, come on over to soulsoils.com or stop into one of our amazing retail partners using our store locator on our website. And as always, grow happy plants. And do not eat. Makes a terrible granola.